In Mission Control, you'll see all the open program windows for True Studio. Find the window that has the rainbow and select it to bring that window to the front in True Studio. If the rainbow is not surrounded by a select box, click on the rainbow. Then hold the Command key and the C keyboard key to copy the rainbow. Open True Modify. Hold the Command key and touch the V key to paste in the rainbow. It pastes in the same relative location as it was in True Studio. To add another design, ensure the viewer is open. And in the File Viewer, click the small folder at lower left and select Choose. Choose the columns view. Browse to Samples, Studio, Stitch 2, and Butterflies and Bugs. Click Choose Folder, and then adjust the floating file viewer until you can see 2 designs across, and as many designs up and down as you wish. You can scroll through the designs to review them with the trackpad, the magic trackpad, or a magic mouse. Select the design Flower Garden, scroll, and select the design Frolicking Butterflies. And you can resize the file viewer so it stays open but out of your way. The designs come in stacked on each other in the center, with the last selected design visible and the others in ghost mode. Click Control Panel to open the floating control panel. In the Design view, you can see the Design Select window. In the Design Select window, you can select any of the designs, and whichever design is selected, that design will come into view and you can make changes. Click to select Design 3 so it has a colored highlight, and we would like it to stitch before the flowers, so select Move Up by Color 3. The design will change position in the stitch order, and the rainbow will stitch first, the butterfly second, and the flowers now third. We want to adjust our rainbow, so click in Design Select, and the rainbow will become the selected design. In the Select Tools, click Make Block from Visible Area. You can now put your cursor in the selected rainbow and click and drag to change its position slightly in the hoop. Hold down the Command key and press the right arrow key and press it again, and you'll scroll through the designs until the flowers are selected and visible. We're going to select the flowers with Command and the A key, and then you can click and drag them down to position them toward the lower side of the rainbow, so they're just slightly overlapping the bottom of the rainbow. Hold the Command key again and arrow key until the butterflies become the selected design. Hold the Command key and touch the letter A to select the design. Click and drag the little butterflies, and you can use the zoom slider to change your view if you wish, until the little butterflies are in position where you would like them to be above the rainbow. In the Control Panel, select Modify. In Modify, select Morph. Global morphing allows you to adjust the designs in many different ways. We're going to twirl, so select Twirl. And Twirl allows you to spin the butterflies around, twirling them clockwise or counterclockwise. Adjust the slider to to the right for a clockwise twirl to about 7. Click OK to set the global morphing. The butterflies are now adjusted into a new shape. If they're not selected, use Command A, or in the Design tab, use Make Block from Visible. Let's rotate the butterflies a bit to adjust their shaping, and on the right-hand side of the Select box is a free rotate handle, so you can rotate until their shape or position is pleasing to you. Click and drag them until they are adjusted into the position you would like them to be. And then we'd like to see how this design will look when it's complete. Select Design Player. The Design Player window will open and can be adjusted to see the design larger or smaller. Click Move to Beginning, and all the stitches are hidden from view. Click Fast Forward, and it slowly starts stitching the design. Every time you click Fast Forward, it will stitch more quickly. And as this stitches, you're going to notice that where the layers overlap each other, the stitches underneath are cropped away so that we don't get a buildup of very thick stitches in our finished design. Continue playing the stitches, and when you've played the entire design, close the player. Your design is now ready to save as a multi-part design, so select File and Save to create a multi-part design that you could reopen later, reposition the designs, adjust them in any way, and they will automatically create the design again as if you were working from it new. Then choose File and Export, and here you will flatten the embroidery design, combining it, removing the overlap, and saving it in one of the multiple file formats to stitch on your personal embroidery machine. Stitch out your new embroidery on a little grocery tote, and you'll have summer all year long.